Hey, welcome back to Clint Street Machines. I'm Clint, and today we're going to do an unboxing of a strange S6001EM strut. These are single adjustable struts made for the 87 to 93 Mustang Fox body. And I already opened them because I already filmed this once. And I don't know what's wrong with my camera lens. I had to flip the thing around. I had to change lenses. It's got a different camera. We're going to do it again. So it's already been cut open, unfortunately. But all that was in this box was this box. So let's have a look. So we open her up. Comes with a strange sticker. And what's inside in a bag is a strange single adjustable, you can see the knob there, strut. Now, this was actually loose in the box. It wasn't on the strut, so I just put that on there to help protect it for now. I assume that's what it's for. I don't think it stays on there when it's actually installed. But the part number is written right here, S6001EM, so I know that's correct. And we went with the 87 and 93 Mustang because it's shorter by a year than the 03 that matches the spindles we picked up. But this part's all the same. The only difference is a shorter strut. So we picked these up. They fit all the years that I just described. And these are called a single adjustable because they only adjust the firmness in one direction. So these shocks are designed for drag racing. So when you take off from a start, they let the front end lift up so you get that weight transfer onto the back tires easily. And then this knob adjusts how easily the front end comes back down. So softer, it comes down quicker and more easily. Firmer, the front end will stay up longer through the quarter-mile run. So for street, that works out because we get to adjust it for going over bumps and things like that to make it ride as well as we can. Like I said, it allows the front to lift easy, which means it allows the tires to drop out of the truck easily. It's when they come back up. So if we go into a pothole, they'll drop out nice and easy, and when we hit the other side of the pothole, when they want to come back up, we can adjust how hard the hit is when they're trying to come back up. That should explain it. All right, so initial inspection, these things are really heavy. They seem to be quite well made. This part here where it bolts in is double walled. There's actually an extra piece in the center there to help support it. So this is actually, looks to be quite a bit stronger than the factory deal. It's over there, but I'm not gonna get it. Just trust me on that one. There's really not much to see here on this unboxing. One thing I can tell you, and this is a mistake people make, I actually did a video on this at one point. You'll notice when I push this piston down, it doesn't come back up, right? It just stays down, and if I pull on it, it'll come back up, all right? So, what's that all about? Well, two different kinds of shocks, right? There's, or struts in this case, which is just a shock that mounts. Still a shock. So anyway, this strut is a liquid-filled, an oil-filled strut. There are oil-filled struts and shocks, and there are gas-charged struts and shocks, and I believe they use nitrogen to charge them. Now, on a gas-charged strut, when we pulled this out of the box, it would have had a strap around it to hold it in position, and when you cut the strap, it would have just started coming right out by itself. That's how you know if a gas strut is still doing what it's supposed to do. On an oil-filled strut, this thing will stay wherever I put it. If I want it there, it's just going to stay right there. If I want it down lower, it'll just stay right there. So that's the deal with an oil-filled strut or shock. I've seen a lot of people think they have bad shocks because they don't come back out, but that's only the case on a gas-charged strut. So make sure you know what you're dealing with there before you wonder if your shocks are bad. So yeah, there's a quick little tech tip. That is it. Not a lot comes with them. Like I said, it's this and a sticker, which I see most people install right there. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the strange S6001EM. Again, like I said, this fits multiple year Fox body Mustangs. We are not putting it on a Mustang. We're putting it in a Chevy S10. But there you go. That is it. So we've got those struts now for our S10. And if you're new to the channel and you're not familiar with it, we are building a Pro Street Chevy S10. And we're converting the front end over to a strut type front suspension using Mustang components. Fox body, and we have spindles out of an 03. So that's the front end we're cobbling together for this thing. And if you want to see more of that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, maybe hit the notifications, and join us in watching that truck get built. All right, so that's it for this one. We're going to do some more strange components in the future videos. But I want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care of yourselves.